Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're looking at chemical manufacturing, one of the most complex and highly regulated industries. In this video, we'll explore how strong project management practices, including stage gate and digital tools, help overcome long R&D cycles, strict compliance requirements, and rising cost pressures. Whether it's scaling up a new polymer, developing specialty chemicals, or adapting production for sustainability goals, effective project management is essential for safety, compliance, and profitability. Project managers and chemical companies juggle multiple challenges: long research and development cycles that demand strong resource planning, meeting strict regulatory and environmental standards in every region, ensuring plant safety while introducing new processes or formulas, coordinating multidisciplinary teams, chemists, engineers, operations, and supply chain, managing costs in an industry where even small delays or quality issues can mean significant losses. And for many chemical manufacturers, these challenges don't stop at a single site. Projects often span continents, involving multiple plants, partners, and suppliers. Managing a global supply chain and coordinating teams across different cultures, time zones, and regulatory environments adds another layer of complexity. In chemical manufacturing, projects benefit greatly from a structured framework, and one of the most effective and widely adopted is the stage gate process. While some companies may adapt or combine methods, stage gate stands out because it creates a clear roadmap with checkpoints designed to reduce risk and improve outcomes. At each stage, teams can validate technical feasibility, market potential, and compliance readiness. Project reviews align R&D, production, and business leaders. And risks of late-stage failures like regulatory rejections or unsafe plant trials are dramatically reduced. In a sector where time to market and safety are everything, StageGate provides the structure needed to turn complex innovation into successful product launches. But even the best methodology needs the right digital backbone. Project and portfolio management software purpose-built for manufacturing offers visibility and control across the full lifecycle. Consolidating project data in one place, tracking compliance documents and approvals alongside tasks, supporting detailed cost tracking and budget oversight, enabling seamless data exchange across sites and borders to keep global supply chains coordinated, standardizing technical and commercial processes to reduce variability, lower total installed costs, and simplify long-term operations, ensuring high data integrity with global accessibility platforms that minimize errors and provide reliable information, and providing real-time reporting so decision makers can react quickly. With this digital support, chemical manufacturers can accelerate approvals, ensure regulatory compliance, and launch safer, more profitable products. Project management in chemical manufacturing is challenging, but it doesn't have to be chaotic. With the right processes and tools, you can bring innovation to market faster, stay compliant, and protect your margins. Want to see how? Visit Cerri.com to explore how our solutions support stage gate and new product development in chemical manufacturing. You can also check out our full guide in the link below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.